Hey guys, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create a website, install WordPress on a VPS. Okay, and everything, all the topics I will cover in this video has been time stamped, and you can see the timestamp in the description and in the comments. Okay, so let's say some steps are for complete beginners who have never created a website. So if you know that step, like say you know how to buy a domain, so you can skip that step and directly jump to the WordPress configuration part or the installing VPS or installing configuring VPS part. Okay, so let's start. And so first thing, why I'm recommending you this service is because this is the you will not get a better deal than this. So only have to spend $6 per month, and then with this you get VPS that is optimized and created for WordPress. Okay, you can see all the features that this VPS offers. It's supercharged with this, and everything is pre-configured. The caching plugin is configured. The heartbeat control. It's a WordPress thing. So basically API request WordPress sends. So it's all optimized for WordPress. So what you can do is just set it up and focus on your content. And you can see the resource you get is also amazing. You get one core CPU, 2 GB memory, 30 GB SSD storage, and 2 TB bandwidth. Okay, and if you compare it to other VPS providers like let's say DigitalOcean, it is one of the cheapest. And with this for this configuration you will have to spend like $10. Okay, so on the starting $5 per month you get only 1 GB, while with this service company I'm recommending, you will get 2 GB. So your website will perform better. And the best thing about this, with the other providers, you get an unmanaged VPS hosting. So you will be responsible for all optimizing it, security, and everything. Okay. So if the mail is not working or something is not working, you will have to watch a tutorial for it. And if anything is goes wrong, then troubleshooting it will be a nightmare. Okay, and with this VPS that is optimized, already optimized for WordPress, that will not be the problem. So you get better resources at cheaper price, and that it is already optimized, so your website will be blazing fast. Okay, so this is a perfect for any website owner who has a very high volume of traffic, or if you have a WooCommerce website, or you just want your customers to have the best experience possible. Okay, so you can find the link of this hosting in the description, and there will be also be some special coupon codes, so you can do check out the description. You will get the best deal from this. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner, first let's start with buying a domain. Okay, you will have to go to this website smarthelpguides.com/new. So domain name is basically a website name. For example, my domain name is this smarthelpguides.com. Okay, so you will have to first purchase a domain name. Okay, I do not want to make the video too lengthy, so I'm explaining it in a short way. First, you will just in the search bar, you will see a website like this page. Scroll down, and in the search bar here, search for your new domain. Search for newdomain.com. Okay, and then hit enter, or you can click on this option and it will directly take you to this page, and it will automatically search your domain name and see if it is available. You can see surprisingly it is available, but if it is not available you will have to again delete this and search for a new domain name. Okay, so if once the domain name it's available, and you will also on this page you will see some tips which are really useful to select a domain name, so do read it. And if it is available, then click on add to cart. Okay, it has been added. Then click on checkout. Okay, I have added double domain names, so I will delete one of them. Okay, so you can see just make sure the spelling of your domain name is correct, because you will not get a refund for it if you make a typo here. So make sure that it is correct, and with the Namecheap you'll get a free US card protection. Some domain registrar like GoDaddy will charge you extra for this, and you can see you are already getting the best deal. So if you follow this link, smarthelpguides.com/new, you will automatically get the best deal. Okay, and you will not have to search for more promo codes, anything. Nothing will, no, you will not get a better deal than this. Then click on confirm order. Okay, so here you will have to, if you do not have an account, you will have to create an account. In just fill your details here, username, password, email, first name. So that's all the details are required. So I already have an account with Namecheap, so I will skip this. It's really easy. Okay, just fill your personal details. So I will log into my account here and sign in. Okay, I have set up a second factor authentication, and I would recommend you to do that as well once you create your account, as it will save you a lot from hackers and all. Then enter your code here. Okay, and here you will have to enter your payment details and then click on continue. Okay, so I will complete the payment process and get back to you. Okay, so once you have completed the payment, and you will have to go here. Okay, and then go to dashboard. I have shown you already many times in my videos previously how to buy domain. So I will also link to them if you want, but it's really easy. I have shown you the complete process. And from in the dashboard here, you will see all the domains that are connected to your account. And you can see I have multiple domains. So we will, okay, so we have already purchased the domain. So the step one is complete. Now let's buy the VPS. Okay, so again, go to the link given the description, and also you will get the promo code here there. So just follow that link, and then you will see you will see this page. Okay, scroll down, make sure the WordPress VPS is selected. Okay, we do not want to buy a normal VPS or Windows VPS or any other thing. We want a WordPress VPS. Okay, scroll down and then click on buy now. Okay, first you will have to create an account here. It is click on this option, sign up, and then fill your email address. My is bestwpguides@gmail.com. You can also send me any queries at this email if you want. I will generate a new password for it, and then click on create account. Okay. Um, it will send you a verification code in your email, so check that and enter it here. So I will check the verification code in my mobile. If you're opening it on PC, so just make sure that you just copy and paste it here, because some are small case letter and some are cap. So then click on create new account. Okay, so here you will see the VPS configuration. You will see the platform, personalize. Here, this is the location. You can also change it. So select the location which is the closest to your audience, so you will get your website will load fast. So I will select QNX. You can see the price will also change. So for $6, I can select New Jersey or Los Angeles. So I will select New Jersey. Okay, then just keep it at one. Do not change anything here. And in the host name here, your domain name which you just bought here. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this domain name bestwpdemo.xyz. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here, and this is the root password. Make sure to change that here. Okay, it is really important. So let's change that, make something you will remember, because you cannot easily recover it. And then the coupon code will be you can get the best deal coupon code. You can see my total price cost is just 1 cent. So if you want this coupon code, check the description, and then from here this availability you will see, and this the VPS configuration information. The slice 1, memory 2 GB, storage and transfer GB. Okay, and this is the personalized price. Okay, and then click on proceed. Just click on this. I have read terms in above and I agree, and then click on place order. Okay, so now you will see the balance. You will see the pending amount. Okay, so it is just 1 cent because we used the coupon code, and then we will add the payment method. Now I have added my card here. Then change the payment method to card from PayPal, and then click on view balance and make payment, and click on all. Okay, so this time just do that, and here click on make credit card payment. Okay, so I just got a notification on mobile that the payment is complete. So just wait a few seconds for it to update. Okay, so the payment is complete, and then you will see this install progress screen here, that the VPS is basically being installed, and now you will have to wait for a while. Okay, so the VPS installation is complete and it will take like 30 minutes to do so. So just wait for a good 30 minutes till you get these two emails from Interserver. You will get these two emails. Let me unmark it. Yeah. So you will get these two emails which will contain the details of your VPS. So first let's click on this, and here you will see this two links. Okay, so because we have not set the password yet, so first click on this option, click here to set a new password, and it will take you to the Interserver control panel. Scroll down here, you will have to set the new password. Okay, first let's create a password. So paste my new password here which I want to set, and in the portal login you will have to use the password which we used to create the interserver.net login. So I will copy that password and paste it here. Okay, so this is the password which we first created when we entered our for creating our account at Interserver. Okay, so this is not the root password. Then click on submit. Okay guys, so I was unable to change the password myself, so I contacted the support team, and you can see I sent this ticket like 28 minutes ago, and the last email in which they have sent me the password is 8 minutes ago, so they have resolved the issue in 20 minutes. So that's really a great turnaround time, I would say, for any hosting provider. It's almost like instant. So this is the level of support you can expect. And so now let's install WordPress and create our website. Okay, and from here go to this option, Webuzo portal, click on it, and it will take you to the login page. Here your username will be admin, and you will get this in the email. So copy paste this password here and then click on login. Okay, I will save it in my password manager, and once you log in you will see a control panel like this. Okay, and from here first check if the domain is correct. Let's click on this option. Okay, so this is our domain, so that's correct. And now let's go from here to blogs, and from here WordPress, or you can also search here for WordPress. Okay, and now let's install it. Click on this option, install now, and this is the latest version. So if you want to install WordPress in a directory, so then it will be like your website.com/wp. So you can add a directory here, but I do not want that. I want my website to be visible at bestwpdemo.xyz. Just for the demo purpose, I will actually install it in a directory, this demo directory. Okay, you can leave it blank, and then put your website name here, your website name. You can also change all this stuff from later from the WordPress dashboard. So we will not edit the description right now. Create a password here. So I will suggest you to change the password right now. Okay, and change your email ID. So right now you would not have set up your professional email ID. So I will just put my Gmail ID here. And if you want to learn how to create your professional email ID like your name at the rate your domain.com, you can watch my other tutorials. I will put that link in the description also. So I will put my Gmail ID here, then select your language, and we do not want any of these right now. Okay, and then if you want you can select a theme, but we will skip it right now. And then again enter your email ID here, best wp guides at the rate gmail.com, and then click on install. So then scroll up and you will see the WordPress installation process has started, and it will happen automatically. So just wait for a few minutes. Actually, not even few minutes. It should be done within few seconds. Okay, so the WordPress installation is complete, and you can see the congratulation message. Okay, so right now it is showing this URL. Okay, but our domain is not pointing to our server. So basically, if you remember, this is our domain, and right now it doesn't know where our server is located. Okay, so right now if I try to visit this URL, it will not work. Okay, basically it is pointing to some other server, so it is showing that, but you will not see anything. Okay, so what we will do is I will copy this IP from here, and then let's paste it here, and then see if it is working. So now what we have to do is tell our domain that okay, this is our server. So for this, let's go to the email. We must have received an email. Yes, this new VPS activated email ID. Open this email and then scroll down, and you will see this option DNS servers. So just copy and paste this. Now go to Namecheap, and you will have only one domain in your account. So select that domain and click on manage. And then from here, you will have to do is select custom DNS and then paste. Paste this second primary and secondary DNS, and then select this option, tick. Okay, so you can see this message that DNS server update may take up to 48 hours. Okay, so we have now told our DNS that okay, this is where our website server is located, and it will take a few hours for this to get updated. Okay, so after updating the name server in the records, Namecheap records here, we will also have to add a record in the Interserver panel. So for this, what you will have to do is, first I will show you where we were before. So we were on this page, okay, VPS page. So from here, you will have to select this option, go to more, and from here, select DNS manager. Okay, so you can see I have already added the record, but it will not exist for you. So what you have to do is type your domain name here. For example, this is my domain name. So you just type your domain name here and type your server IP address here. So you can get your server IP address from here or also from your email ID. Okay, just paste it here and make sure there's nothing, and then click on this option add DNS entry. Okay, since I already have created this record, so I cannot add it a duplicate record again. Okay, So I will pause the video and get back when the name server gets updated. Okay, since it's been like 2 to 4 hours, 2 hours. After waiting 2 hours, the domain name server has started working, and I will show you. Let's try to visit our website. You can see our WordPress website is working now, and it's loading quite fast. So let's try to log into the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so there are two ways to do it. You will have to visit this URL. Okay, if I visit this, you will see I'm already logged in. You will have to use the same password we created before. Okay, I will show you by logging out from here. The username was admin, and this is the password I created before. Select. So let's log in. So that's how simple it is. And so basically, we have created our website. It's live. It's working. And now the next step, what you have to do is we have to first set up our personal email ID. Okay, so like your name at the rate yourdomain.com. So we will set up our professional email address. We will also set up WordPress and configure it to send email from the server. Okay, and then we will create a WooCommerce website, or you can also create a normal website if you want. Okay, so I will cover all those topics in my next videos, and on the screen you should be able to see the playlist, link of the playlist. The link of the playlist will also be in the description, so you can also get that from here. And I would recommend you to watch those videos too. And that's it. I hope you guys found this video useful, and continue watching the playlist so you will find a lot of other useful videos.